We just now painted this 56 Thunderbird yesterday. It's rare sunset coral. It didn't make very many of these, but it's going to be black and white interior with the sunset coral here, white convertible, white hard top, black convertible top. This car's going to be finished out here in May. So if you look at it, here it's an underside painted, wheel wells. And here in the interior, every bit of the car has been completely repainted. Way better than what factory would have done back in the day. This car has automatic power steering, power brakes, power seat. As you look here at the straightness of the car down the side, you can see how nice the guys did all the work on this. This is going to really be a super nice car. So, like I say, it hasn't been sanded up yet. The paint's still really laid down very nice. So that to be taken care of. In the engine compartment, we maybe put the camera up here to get a little bit of a shot of that. All redone. Like I say, this is a full body off restoration. And here again is the interior part, where maybe a better angle. And quarter panels. We go for all the straightness and lines, and we'll be painting the rest of the car here next week. The body, the attaching parts, doors, hood, trunk on it there. So pretty much it.